Haulover appears to be firing today, but welcome back, crew, to beautiful Haulover Inlet and Boats versus Haulover, where man and machine take on Mother Nature down here in Miami, Florida. And as we can see from these images, it is a busy day, but not only is it busy, the inlet is firing as well, which is going to make for some challenging conditions for our captains, but let's see how it goes. And that's going to bring us to the first round of our contest. And here in the first round, the boats are going to toss a SeaRay in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get on the board first. But let's go. Round one, ring the bell, and we're getting it started. Our crew is coming out slow. A little bit of yacht wake to get them started right here, as you can see the bigger boat go past them as they're working their way out. Cap really needs to lean into the throttle on this one, and he's a little late. We've got a double stuffing right up front, and it doesn't get any better as he goes, and I don't expect it to. Haulover gets a little worse as he continues to work his way out, and they are not getting on the throttle. They need that throttle down just a little bit to try and lift the hull up, get it barely on plane, and keep that bow high and out of the drink. But for whatever reason, that just does not appear to be on this captain's agenda, as they just wind up getting the free Haulover deck rinse the entire way out of the inlet. We'll come back and look at the aerial replay, which I'm sure looks even worse than the ground and pound images we had from the inlet. But over here, you can just see that bow almost spends more time buried than it does above the water, but they just really didn't get on the throttle at all. They're in a boat that doesn't have a ton of freeboard anyway. These SeaRays really aren't designed for offshore work, and right here, it definitely got just that, some pretty heavy offshore work. And unfortunately for this crew, they're going to wind up taking a loss for the boats here in the first round. And that's going to bring us to the second round of our contest, where Haulover has the early 1-0 lead, but the boats here in the second round are going to toss a Regulator in the ring to see if they can get it tied back up. And here we go, Cap's working his way toward the mouth of the inlet. They've got the throttle opened up, letting the boat eat on this one. She's up on plane, letting the boat do its job, slicing through the waves. They are getting a little bit of porpoising action as they start to enter. Looks like Cap might have dropped a little bit of trim tab right here at the end, because it kind of calms down, lays down, and they make it in without issue, taking a win for the boats here in the second round. And that's going to bring us to the third round of our contest, and we are currently tied at 1 apiece. And here in the third round, the boats are going to toss a Nautic Star in the ring to see if they can go ahead and take the lead over the inlet. But let's go. Our crew, what in the world? Our guy just littered right before they even got out of the inlet, throwing a plastic cup out into the water. I mean, I don't condone littering anywhere, especially don't condone littering in our oceans, but come on, man, you've got to be smarter than this. There's 3 drones in the air above you right now, at least 4 or 5 cameras that you can see, all filming and watching you, and you know this is gonna wind up on the internet. What in the world was this guy thinking? Unfortunately for this crew, I'm never gonna give somebody a win who pulls a move like this, and this crew is just gonna take an automatic L and a loss for the boats, which means Haulover is gonna take the 2-1 edge into the fourth round. And here in the fourth round, the boats are gonna toss a Sea Hunt in the ring to see if they can go ahead and get this one tied back up. But here we go, the Sea Hunt is starting to work its way out. We do have 2 bow riders unfortunately up there, and as we've talked about, it is a rough day here at Haulover. This crew is gonna get that work in as they try and make their way out. Now the good news is Cap is hugging the north side of the inlet, typically the calmer side, which is going to give him a little better ride, which we can actually see right here. But once you get outside the jetties, they still have to deal with the rollers, but he's tucking up to the north, and they look pretty solid. This is a good run. Cap knew what he was doing, staying in the right direction, keeping himself out of the middle of the inlet, and taking his time, going just fast enough to keep the boat barely up on plane, letting the boat do its work, letting that bow entry slice through the waves, and slicing their way to a victory for the boats, meaning we are going to go into the 5th and final round of our contest, now tied at 2 apiece. Who will take the win in this episode? Will it be the boats or Haulover? Let's find out, as we're going to have a mystery boat stepping in the ring to try and close it out. I'm not sure what this is. If you know, let me know in the comments, but I can tell you one thing, my man is sending it. They cleared the bridge, laid into that throttle, got this big boat up on plane, and are letting this boat try and eat. But they are getting a really rough ride. They need to bury those tabs to try and keep this bow down, but man, they are getting worked as they try and make their way out of the inlet. Here you can see as they make it into the bigger rollers, it's even worse. Look at how much bow bounce we have here as they hit these big waves trying to make their way out. Cap is holding on for dear life up there in the helm, and oh no, they've lost stuff. So Haulover's done its job. It looks like it knocked a compartment open, and our crew winds up losing some things, and they're going to wind up losing this round, meaning Haulover will take the win in this episode. Thanks for watching, crew. Hope you enjoyed this episode of Boats vs. Haulover. If you did, please check out our other content. We have Wavy Boats, who does a bunch of great things down at the inlets. My channel, Broncos Guru, does some great comedy boating videos there as well. And of course, we got the Miami Boat Ramps channel that focuses on all the hilarity that happens to the boat ramps in South Florida. And if you guys haven't already, go ahead and drop an anchor on the subscribe button here.